I saw a Nazarelli doing this video where she talks in English, and my friend Ashley told me she was going to do it, so... Okay, I have to... I don't know how to talk in English, okay? I don't know how to talk in English. I understand it, but I don't speak it, okay? I learned English by watching the TV with subtitles since I was little, so I haven't practiced that much. I'm going to do my makeup. Most of the YouTube videos I watch are in English. I don't know. I like watching more videos in English, and I think I learn a lot more by seeing other people talk in English rather than what I learned in school, because I never went to English courses. And in my school, honestly, I didn't learn anything. So if you want to learn English, I recommend you to watch your TV in English, watch your movies in English, so that way you know the right pronunciation, because a lot of people think they know how to talk, but their pronunciation is not right, including me. And the only way to talk good, I guess, in English is by practicing a lot, but I think I haven't talked in English in a very long time. Yeah, here in my ranch, we don't talk in English, okay? I rarely go to the United States, even though I am like 1 hour away from the border. I get nervous, okay? I am a very shy person, and if I have to talk in English, I mess up a lot. The only time I really practiced it was when I worked. I was a waitress in a brewery. I don't know how to... Brewery, cerveceria. A lot of tourists came, so I had to talk in English, and I think that's when my English got a little better, because I had to practice it every day and had a conversation in English. But since I don't work there anymore, thank God, I never talk in English. I am not doing this video to brag or show off my English, because it sucks. I am doing it because I find it very, very funny. All my videos are always for you to laugh at me. So I don't mind it if you roast me in the comments. You can laugh all you want. I don't really care. You know what? I always wanted to do a video in English, because I think they have a lot of like words or phrases that you can say in Spanish. It doesn't make sense if you say it in Spanish, and I can't remember any of those words. And in Spanish, I struggle a lot to say different words because our vocabulary is very formal. Okay, I just bought this little mascara thing that is transparent, and I use it in my brows to brush them because they are a mess, and it was very cheap, so that's why I got it. I like to use very warm colors in my everyday makeup. I think I'm going to try this one. And I just put it all over my... How do you call this? Lid and crease. I want you to tell me in the comments if the majority of videos you watch are in English or in Spanish. I'm curious and I want to know. Okay, then I use 2 eyeliners. This one has a very thin tip, but I'm almost out of it. I only do the line with this one, and then I fill it with this one. I had coffee in my hand. It's like... I do I'm shaking. Oh my god. A line, and then I do this and I connect it. I grab the other eyeliner and fill everything. I know that when I edit this, I'm going to cringe all the time. So if you ever watch this, it's because I love you. Okay, that wasn't so bad. Then I put a little bit of color in my face because, yeah, I'm very pale. So I use this palette to do my bronzer, to do my contour. It's the same. I do a little bit in my papada And I don't like to contour my nose because 1, I don't know how to do it, and 2, I'm very lazy. So then I use my broken blush and I put a lot. A lot of you say I put too much blush, but mind your own business, okay? I like wearing a lot of blush because I am very pale and I like to put some color in my face, okay? I asked you on Instagram to recommend me brow products. Bruh. Because I used to use eyeshadows. It was not pretty. You recommend me the BISSÚ one and this one from Italia. I'm going to use both but in different brows so I can see the difference and which one I like better and which one sucks. This was very cheap. I think I paid like 60 something pesos for this one. I like cheap things. Yeah, this is the right color. I'm very happy. I always fuck up when I need to choose my brow color because I don't know if it's black or if it's dark brown or I don't know. This is my shade. This is my shade. I haven't done my lashes, so I'm going to do that now because I look a little crazy. When I finish drawing that line, I just like wiggle the brush upwards a little bit so I can feel those huge holes in my brow. And then, where are you? I use the same mascara to brush it. I think I got the wrong shade in this product, so I don't know if it's going to look bad. Oh, I think this is gonna match. Okay. I don't know, let's see. I'm going to do the same as the other brow. Ooh, this one is my shade also. Okay, this brow has no fucking shade. I'm struggling, help. I'm too lazy to use concealer and perfect my brow as every normal human being does. I don't, okay? I use my finger and that's it. Oh, I have a funny story. I once bought one of those cheap curlers and one day I was curling my lashes. I think I didn't see that this rubber thing fell off and I cut half of my lashes. It was not cool. I have been using this mascara for a long time and I fucking love it. The only problem with this mascara is that it's waterproof. You might think, oh, that's a very good thing, but no, this shit doesn't go off. So I used a little oil to remove it because it doesn't want to go off. I never put mascara in my bottom lashes because, oh fuck, I think I look creepy, I don't know. Then I use my highlighter in the tip of my nose and in my cupid's bow. Ooh. I need to hurry. If you are an OG subscriber, my mom just came, so I need to hurry up. This is my favorite lipstick of all time. It's a very natural color and I love it because once it dries down, I can kiss my boyfriend and it doesn't transfer a lot. And if you like to paint your lips and you have a boyfriend, you know the struggle. Okay. My foundation just disappeared. My, what do you say this thing? I don't know. This is my everyday makeup in case you were wondering, and if you were not, I'm sorry. Ya voy a terminar, nada, me voy a despedir. Espero que les haya gustado este video y se haya reído un poquito de mí. La verdad estuvo no tan mal como pensé, pero sí, la verdad no sé si esto llegue al internet, pero sí. Ya se la saben, nos vemos en otro video. No mames.